And what are we saying here? We're saying that, of course, he is the deputy chairman of the PDP Governors Forum. I saw on internet yesterday, people were saying Sheyi Makinde has been appointed as the chairman of PDP Governors Forum. It is a lie from the pit of hell. And even if they give it to me, I will not accept. Because there is order. If the chairman resigns, the deputy chairman will take the position. That is how you have order in the process. And that is not what we're fighting for. We're not fighting for the southern part of this country to have the chairmanship of the PDP Governors Forum. We are saying that if PDP has promised to restructure Nigeria and we cannot restructure PDP, we're not ready to restructure Nigeria. That is the fact. There has been issues that are foundational. If you go and read the proceedings of the Constitutional Conference that led to Nigeria's independence, you know that there were issues there. And if since 1960 we have not been able to get things right, yes, of course, they may say that the military interregnum, because of their unitary command structure, affected us. But we've been practicing democracy since 1999. This is 23 years. And if we're not able to take a path that can lead to sustainable development, we should try something else. And that is what we are saying. And I'm happy to be associated with my brother, Governor Wike.